Hi everyone, today we have the software called Supliful and this is the best private label business software. Now before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses on Supliful. Jumping onto the platform, now if you do not know what is private label business, it is something that, let's say a product is being manufactured in some market or industry and they are going to be supplying it to you where you can label it privately with your brand and then distribute it. So for the same exact purpose, so today we have Supliful. You can see we have various different type of products going on and we can click on anything that we'd like to simply modify. So you can see we have our products section where we can add our own products as well. You will be able to see your listing in here and you have your drafts and your published products that are being online. Then you have your stores, the storefronts that you have created and everything that you are trying to sell. You can connect your Shopify, so it has this integration with Shopify. You can connect a Shopify store by installing Supliful app on Shopify, or what you can do is simply connect your TikTok to get yourself advertised there. So you can connect a TikTok shop by authenticating Supliful app. Once you get that done, it will be integrated with that as well. So in this section you will be able to see all of the orders that you're going to be receiving once your products are online and published and good to go. Now you can see your all products, new, accepted, completed, and many more filters here as well. So if we now head back to our main page, you will be able to see the products that you can customize. You can click on them and you can see the branding that we can apply onto. You can customize and sell. You can save it to draft. You can see all of the different type of markups are basically available for this type of supplements. So you can add your supplementary facts of the details, graphics, so make sure you have everything ready to put on in here and start selling. So really amazing platform, Supliful. Make sure to give it a try, and if you are unsure about its integrity, here you can see the Supliful team has been absolutely great. Supliful team has been outstanding and amazing performance. So make sure to give it a try to Supliful using the link in the description below, using which you can get extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys around in the next video.